Cleo did next. Cleopatra has arrived in Rome with new beau Julius Caesar. But there are two problems. One, their marriage isn't recognised by Roman law. And two, he already has a wife, Calpurnia.
I've got two husbands. What's the problem?
Didn't Ptolemy get killed?
Different Ptolemy. I've been married to, 3? Didn't I tell you I got married again? This one's my other brother. Egyptian tradition. Yes. I've got two husbands and Caesar has two wives. I'm the one in Egypt and Calpurnia's the one in Rome. Isn't that right, Caesar? Simple.
Well, you're in Rome with him now.
Yes, and I love it. And they love me.
Cleopatra is hotter property than ever, and her extravagant style is taking Rome by storm. The homes, the jewels, the Roman ladies are loving it.
She is so beautiful and so bling. I love the Egyptian hairstyles. But stupid Roman law only lets us girls wear half an ounce of jewellery.
Cleopatra was about a bucketful. We've never felt so inadequate. We love her!
But it's not just the girls' heads Cleopatra is turning.
Mark Antony, what are your thoughts on this?
Hubba.
Pardon?
Put it in my pigeonhole.
But what does Cleopatra think
I'm just gonna...
about all the male attention?
Mark Antony is the next most powerful man in Rome, and I heard he drives a chariot pulled by lions. But seriously, my Caesar's the only man for me. Get used to me, Rome. Caesar ain't going nowhere, and neither am I. Together, forever.
Julius Caesar has been assassinated.
Oh no! Not my beloved! Oh, the light of my life!
Has anyone here seen Mark Antony?
Ghastly, mean and cruel stuff they don't teach you at school. The past is no longer a mystery. Hope you enjoyed Horrible History.